Every day, millions of people risk their lives just to earn a paycheck. From battling wildfires to diving into explosive war zones, these are the 10 most dangerous jobs in the world. Number 1 will leave you speechless. 10. Logging workers. Massive trees, sharp chainsaws, and unpredictable terrain, loggers work in deadly conditions. In the US alone, they have the highest fatality rate of any job. 9. Deep-sea fishermen. Stormy seas, freezing temperatures, and heavy machinery make deep-sea fishing one of the most perilous jobs. One wrong step and you're overboard. 8. Roofers. High above ground with little protection, roofers face extreme heat, risky angles, and fatal falls. A simple misstep can be their last. 7. Storm chasers. They run toward what most of us flee from. Storm chasers get dangerously close to hurricanes, tornadoes, and lightning storms, all for science or a viral clip. 6. Firefighters. Running into burning buildings, surrounded by smoke and collapse risks, firefighters live on the edge to save lives. 5. Miners' voiceover. Working deep underground in dark, unstable tunnels, miners risk cave-ins, toxic gas, and deadly explosions daily. 4. War journalists. Armed with only a camera, war correspondents enter active battle zones to report the truth, sometimes at the cost of their lives. 3. Pilots, especially bush pilots. Remote takeoffs, risky landings, and unpredictable weather make bush flying one of the most dangerous aviation jobs. 2. Wildlife handlers. Whether it's venomous snakes, lions, or crocodiles, wildlife handlers put their lives in danger every time they enter the cage. 1. Bomb disposal experts, EOD. One mistake, one wire, one breath. Bomb disposal units face death every second while deactivating explosives, saving lives while risking their own. Would you dare to do any of these jobs? Comment below which one shocked you the most. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more deadly facts every week.